Are you recording?
I'm taking pictures.
Okay.
Well, it's
Thanks.
over. What's this one? This is black collar right there. East. Francesco. Green one back here is Kermit. And then this one over here. Pretty sure, yep, it's blue. Astro. The other side. Oh, this is Candy. That one, Panamera. This one's pink color, Lilo, and Ginger. And that's Boone. And that's Anna. And that's Nancy. And that's Shawnee. And that's Lola and Gizmo. Lola's the black one. And that's Kyle on the bed. That's our TV. Okay. TV's important, I suppose. They're like one-track minds right now, so one-track minds. This is Rachel. Okay, no more battery.